So my basic quick go-to is half a cup of active sourdough starter. Yes, come on, Dolene. And then I normally do like a cup and a half of water, but I always start off with like 1 cup first, and then I add into it. Hold on. She needs a little bit of help. And the water is a little warm. So that's like a cup. I'm gonna do like a cup. A little bit over a cup. I need my whatchamajiggy to mix it. Put it in here, because I can't use it all the time. It's gotta be. It would be nice if I had my stuff ready, huh? Oh, there it is. Then I'm gonna mix it up. It's like a milky texture. Make sure I get all the little clumps out from the sourdough. And once I do that, I add about 3 cups of flour. Hopefully I got 3 cups in here, because I don't use this whole thing. And I'm going back to BJ's and get me another one. Just enough to keep my starter going the rest of the week. That's what's in there. Okay. Oh, and my salt. And then I'm gonna mix it. I like to mix mine with a spoon. Some people put theirs in the stand mixer. I could have put it in the mixer, but I just use a little spoon and keep mixing it until you can see a regular dough. Why is my camera not? Get your life together. And then if I feel like it's a little too dry, then I add a little bit more water. But I still got water left over. And I'm gonna make it a, shaggy. I see a lot of people go ahead and like start working their dough early, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This one, I'm just gonna put this together because it's gonna be a regular loaf, maybe. But I'm gonna let it proof all day until later on, until I cook. Now this one is shaggy. It's shaggy, like, it's shaggy. Oh, it's shaggy. But I'm gonna add a little bit more water because the bottom is still kind of dry. Like to get over with this one, honey. All right. It's giving shaggy. It's giving shaggy. It's giving very much shaggy. Yeah, I'm doing a lot. This is my way of working it a little bit. It's very shaggy. But anyway, I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour. Let it rest. And then I'm gonna come. Well, I'm gonna do maybe like 2 or 3 sets of inclusion every 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna let it sit. But I do have like a little shower cap. I'm gonna sit on it for this hour. And I'm gonna bake it later. That's it. Oh, that's my dough.